Your smile is the first thing that people notice about you. It lights up your face and pretty much distinguishes you. But in winters, your lips tend to get really dry and cracked. And just applying a hydrating lip balm is not enough. So in today's episode of POPxo Homemade Beauty, I'm going to show you some really easy lip mask that's going to leave you with super healthy and smooth lips. Applying a combination of honey and petroleum jelly is not only going to leave your lips soft and supple, but is also going to lock the moisture in. Honey is rich in antibacterial properties that help fasten the healing process, and petroleum jelly moisturizes your lips. Turmeric is an effective, tried and tested antiseptic. It helps in building up the melanin in your skin, which gives you an even tone. The lactic acid present in milk or cream helps in brightening and softening dry lips. The combination of olive oil and aloe vera gel packs in a punch of moisture. Olive oil has moisturizing properties and aloe vera gel has healing and anti-inflammatory properties that helps in keeping your lips healthy and moisturized. This mixture can be refrigerated and used as a lip balm. Rose petals have vitamin E that has skin nourishing properties. It also helps in maintaining the natural color of your lips. Milk has lactic acid that helps in gently exfoliating the dead skins, while the vitamin and minerals present in milk help in nourishing the dry lips. We all are well aware of the health benefit of green tea, and that is why it has a regular place in our routines. But don't throw away that tea bag as yet. Dabbing a steeped green tea bag on your lips will fight inflammation and the antioxidants will hydrate dry lips. Hope you guys like this video. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. And while you do that, don't forget to check out some amazing merchandise by our very own POPxo, like this t-shirt, candles, doormats, wall clocks and so much more. We also have our new beauty collection, so do check that out too, the link to which is in the description box. And for more hair care, skincare and beauty tutorials, keep watching POPxo Daily.